Good morning, guys. Check out the Dow. It has been going crazy this morning because of the tax thing. It was down 60 points and literally went to this in like within 7 to 10 minutes. And it was down apparently 100 points and like as last night and came back up. It has just been all over the place. So good morning, guys. Yeah, today is Friday. The tax reform thing is just really front and center today, and the more hints that it might pass, the stocks go up. As soon as people say how they don't like it or they might vote against it, it goes down. It's just been all over the place. So I mean, look at Dow's already up +7. It's just moving like crazy. Look at that. It is just going insane. And I don't know what's happening, but the stocks are mostly the NASDAQ stocks that we have are down, so we're going to probably lose a lot of money today. I'm just really crossing my fingers it passes so the stocks can go back up. But yeah, I know a lot of people are not a fan of it. So who knows what will happen. I just hope that over time the stocks will go up again and hopefully we can move beyond this. So I'm just going to do some editing today, and I'm not going to obsess over this. It's just not, I don't know. I just don't want to. I think we'll be okay in the long run. So let's see what happens later on this afternoon. And yeah, crossing fingers. Alright, this is insane, guys. The Dow was up 30 points literally about 45 seconds ago. It just dropped 60 points in about 45 seconds. This is complete madness. Look at those movements. That's just crazy. Oh my god, it's so stressful. Look at that. Gosh, damn it. Stop moving. Ooh. Stupid Dow. Now the Dow is doing horribly bad. But let me rewind this a second. Check that out. Look how long it took. 1,161 days to go up 4,000 from 16 to 20, and then only 309 days to go from 20 to 24. That's insane. And then, of course, the Dow is just going crazy. Look at how volatile it's being today. That's just madness, dude. Ugh, I'm so annoyed. So one of the things I just learned that I should have done, I'm so stupid for not doing this. I bought yesterday, like for example, I bought 20 calls yesterday of Apple. What I should have done was bought like 18 calls and then 2 puts, just to kind of give myself some sort of protection in case it goes down. I wasn't doing that. I really haven't been doing that this whole year, so I think that's one of the things I could have done differently. Of course, it played out in my favor for the most part this year because stocks just kept going up. But in times like these where there's a lot of uncertainty, I think and then especially when I'm about to buy some new calls, I think I should be more looking at buying a couple puts too with those calls just to limit my risk. So yeah, I think that's one of the big things I'm learning from this whole experience, and that's one of the things I'll be doing going forward. And now the Dow is just getting crushed. This literally all has happened. It went from up 30 points to down 210 in probably like 3 or 4 minutes. That's just ridiculous, dude. Anyways, yeah. Alright, I'm done. This sucks. What's up, guys? We're back. So it is 6:43 p.m. and man, what a day today was. It was just so hectic, but our options didn't really move a whole lot. So I was actually relieved at that. I was expecting to lose at least 10 grand today. I was expecting to freak out and shit my britches. But especially when you look at the Dow, let me show you right now what the Dow did today. The Dow just like went psychotic. And let me push this up here. So if you look at the Dow, it was like started off shaky, and actually pre-market it was probably down here, and it came back up, then it came down, then it was green for like 5 minutes, I swear, and then I was actually watching the TV right when this happened, then it just like plummeted, and that's when I started freaking out. But then it came back up, like gradually, then it had plummeted again here, but then it gradually came back up, and I was like, okay, awesome. And I heard that they had the 50 votes that they needed to pass the tax reform bill through the Senate. Okay, so that's good news for investors so far, but it still has to go through the House, which some people are expecting even more resistance there, even though it's Republican controlled. So a lot can still happen, but let's just see how we did, and then we'll wrap it up, because there's not really much other news besides this tax reform bill, and then also the Michael Flynn investigation. It is just pretty much dominating the headlines right now. So I'm apologizing for this. I'm using my phone this time because I'm too lazy to set up the microphone. But, okay, so we finished in the mid 170s. I am very happy with that. I was expecting to drop a lot, and I'm crossing my fingers, knocking on wood, that we don't really go any lower than this. I'm hoping December will be good. Consumer spending should be up for Christmas. I think emotions will be pretty positive in December, so I'm hoping that I'm right and that these stocks will go up, especially Amazon. So our top gainer was Amazon and then Microsoft, but not by a whole lot. I mean, you can see only triple digits with these. And then we had a bunch of little tiny gains throughout. So and this Apple put that I bought actually went down in value since I bought it. So there you go figure. How to make stocks go up, just tell Justin from Road to 2 Comic Club to buy put on something and the stock will go up. So there you go, it's a little secret for you guys. Anyways, Nvidia went down, Google, and so, but not bad. I mean, look at, none of them were down triple digit or quadruple digits. Like, everything stayed relatively calm. So I was very, very happy with that, because they were saying tech is going to have another sell-off today, blah, blah, blah. And yeah, so let's just look at the watch list and see if I can fit it all here in the frame, and then we'll just kind of wrap it up, because I don't really have much else to report. So let's see if I can fit it. There you go. Okay, so we got hemp on top. That was a tremendous, was not even paying attention to them, and so that is awesome, actually. Check that out, 17% gain for hemp Inc., which is awesome. They're the one who's a little bit more expensive than hemp Americana. They're at 2 cents right now, but yeah, I can't wait for the day for these to get like up close to $1. It's gonna be insane because we have so many shares. Anyways, this one, I don't know if I talked about Red Hat this today. I was supposed to talk about it yesterday. I think I forgot. So I'm going to talk about that as soon as we get to that one. But here's the first page. So the symbol for Red Hat is RHT, so I'm going to be looking for that. So we had actually 2 solid pages of gains, and then we started to go down. So let's just see. These are the stocks that went down. There it is. Okay, Red Hat. This is the one that Jim Cramer was talking a lot. He had a lot of great things to say about it. And I'm so pissed that I forgot to get in there and look at their chart. Look at that 1-year chart. Every single month this year they've gone up. And that's going to be one of the ones I'm looking at getting into in 2018 for sure. Even for December, just based on this chart, it looks pretty solid. Yeah, I'm an idiot for not getting into that. So there you go. And then the last page, I think Red Hat was on the 5th page. Oh no, that was the 4th page. Let me start back to the 4th page. 5th page, Nokia on top of the 5th page, and then, yeah, Nvidia, and there you go. So Universal Display did not have a good day today. That was pretty rough. But again, Universal Display is solid. I am not worried about them at all. Okay, so if you guys have not researched Universal Display yet, and you want to see OLED screens and their like true beauty, it's not enough to see it on like an iPhone 10 or a Samsung Galaxy Note 8 or whatever. You gotta go to Best Buy or any electronics store and look at their OLED TVs. In fact, Target now sells a couple of them. I think Samsung OLED TVs, but the color is just so awesome. I've been saying this pretty much the whole year, so you probably heard me say this a lot, but check them out. My next TV is definitely gonna be an OLED screen. I just can't wait to get another TV in the future. But yeah, so with that said, I'm not worried about them at all. I think they're gonna go back up, and I think they're gonna have a pretty good year in 2018. So with that said, hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share with your friends. So thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys on Monday.